Hello guys, Art-Teeves here. In this video, I'll show you key stages of modeling this stylized snowman. I've sped up the video by 3 times and cut out some boring parts. Let's get started. I'm modeling this snowman as a single object. It has something around 7K polygons and a 2K resolution UV map. Twigs that form snowman's hands share same overlapping UV chunks. My workflow here is pretty simple. I create 2 spheres, merge them into initial object, and add some basic details like the scarf and some holes for buttons. The scarf will actually cut snow parts in half, allowing us to use automated retopology without causing any collateral damage. In order to create round holes, I use tessellate and spherify modifiers. On the next stage, I extrude everything that has to be extruded, but don't use chamfer just yet. Then I use automated retopology and pick enough iterations for both buttons to look smooth enough. I use my most general tactic here. Thick details make stylized models better. Before you apply automated retopology, make sure that you weld all vertices that have to be welded and remove all unnecessary edges. Make sure to remove all unnecessary edges after the retopology is complete. I also replace the bottom part here to reduce my poly count slightly. I thought that the diameter of my buttons was pretty low at this point, so I scaled them up a little bit by having the edge constraint enabled. I create some holes in my buttons by using the Pro Boolean tool. I place cylinders properly by using the Object Paint tool. Remember to detach intersecting objects for your Boolean tool to cause no damage to the rest of the model. You can get rid of all n-gons at this stage and fix the rest of topology. I make the snowman's head by using the polygon modeling method, simple rotate tool, and also the FFD modifier. Now I repeat the whole process with the snowman's head. I make coal spheres for eyes and the carrot is created by using the bend modifier. Then I simply detach the head, boolean everything together, attach it back and fix the topology. Arms are created by using splines and loft modifier, and also editing their curves. Then I use Pro Boolean and automated retopology again. Remember to get rid of unwanted topology. This time I only model one arm. Once I'm done with unwrapping and pack everything properly, I'll simply copy it to the other side, preserving some overlapping UVs. Remember to detach intersecting geometry when using the Pro Boolean tool. This will help you minimize collateral damage it does to your model. I pick several iterations of automated retopology here in order to get matching amount of sides on the arm's base. I fix the topology here by moving vertices around, having the edge constraint function enabled. When it comes to UV unwrapping, please mind that I'm only doing it in Max because I'm used to it. There's plenty of better software around. The easiest way to unwrap in Max, however, is to use flatten by smoothing groups function. After flattening UVs, I break cylinders and most circles, and then straighten things up a little bit. I made a mistake here, when I didn't straighten the scarf. I thought that it would get some kind of a flow variation, but instead it got some seam that I didn't enjoy. After adding some seams and breaking circles, I pack everything with a padding of 16. Then I fill up remaining space of my UV map manually. Make sure to keep proportions of matching UV chucks intact. For example, if you scale the frontal surface of your button, make sure to scale button's sides and inner parts as well. If you see that some proportions have been damaged, remember to normalize UV chucks. Thanks for watching, guys. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Also, I'll be moving homes, so I'll be slow on posting new videos for the next couple of weeks. But do not worry, I'll speed up my pace soon enough.